Hello and welcome back to video 6. Today we're going to be adding a melody to our song. Make sure to add a new track on the left hand side and click on virtual instruments. We're now going to change this to a lead, so click on leads, and the one that we're going to be using for our song is Dirty Legato Saw. So go ahead and click on it to load it in. Set your cursor to the end of bar 8 and loop the next 4 bars. Let's have a listen to what we've already got. We're going to be using notes A, B, C and D on the piano, or on your musical typing it's H, J, K and L. I'm also going to take this up another octave actually. Let's take it up to the 5th octave. Have a practice, and when you're happy, let's record it in. Make sure yours sounds similar to mine when recording in. And make sure to have the metronome on. Good, okay, let's open up our MIDI editor just to check that the notes are all in the correct timing. I think I'll quantize it just to make sure. And I'm going to make this note a little bit longer, I think, as well. Once you're happy, loop your melody section to the end of bar 16 and save your work. Have a final listen. Great job everyone, I'll see you in the next video where we will be adding a second melody.